can't tell if there's something wrong with this camera right now. I don't know what's good. Today's Thursday. I woke up, got ready, did a little bit of makeup, some hair. We're gonna do some fall shit in this vlog. Also, I think that's because I got this flannel yesterday from Target. It's a little bulky, like it makes me look a little bulky and blocky, but it's very soft. It's a little softer on the outside than the inside. I can't really tell if it's itchy or not, so I'll update you throughout the day. It was $32. It's more so like a shacket, but it's a little chilly out. It's raining. The fall vibes are like low-key kind of here. But I got a gift card to TJ Maxx for my birthday, and what other place to go other than a store like TJ Maxx is there to get fall decor? So, which need to address something. In my last week in my life, people were like, oh my God, like that's so bad. Like you better hope your job doesn't see this. My job doesn't care if I go somewhere on my lunch break. Like what? Like as long as I get my stuff done, it doesn't matter to them. So mind your business, thank you. I also have to get my nails done because it's been 4 weeks. I don't feel like going, so we'll probably go tomorrow. But I really want to bake something pumpkin tonight. I think I'm gonna make some like pumpkin chocolate chip muffins. Obviously gluten and dairy free. I definitely have a recipe on them somewhere. Probably delete it because I deleted like everything on my TikTok. Also, I've been excited to show you this. I got it yesterday at Sprouts. Nut Pods came out with a cookie butter creamer. I'm pretty sure they've had this, I just wasn't able to find it. Should we make a froth? We haven't done a froth in a hot minute. Let's do a froth. Where the fuck is my frother? And I'm thinking, I'm like, is it time to switch over to the hot coffee? Probably not. I also posted this on my Instagram story. I got a couple DMs asking if it was sweetened. It is, but it's not, if that makes sense. It's just sweetened with stevia, so there's no sugar. Oh my God, I literally have not done this in so long. I also feel like I thrive the most in the fall. September, October, I am thriving. Every year, I don't know what it is, the content, the recipes. I think it's like that post-summer hits and I'm like, okay, back to work, bitch. And then the seasonal depression really sits in after January and I'm like, okay, never mind. I know a lot of people struggle with it, especially myself. If there's a difference between living alone and being single. Stop it! Maverick's like, what is this? I've never seen you use this tool before. There's a difference between living alone and being in a relationship and living alone being single. All I've ever known prior to my breakup, which was now over 3 months ago, which is crazy to me. Time has just flown by. It's definitely been hard in a sense of like, I wanna go out every weekend because I'm inside my house Monday through Friday, working from home alone by myself all day. Like I FaceTime my friends literally all day long because I need some sort of like human interaction. I don't know, it's a bit lonely, but I mean, I'm fine. Like I'm very, very good at being alone and I'm very good at being independent. So it's nothing like super crazy, but I definitely worry about myself for the winter, but we're gonna snap out of it because depression is a mindset. I've convinced myself that. Every day you're gonna choose not to be depressed or sad. Just choose not to be. August, mental health for me, horrible month. Didn't go to the gym for a month, couldn't take my dog on a walk. Had no motivation for anything. September, we're a brand new bitch. I'm feeling good. Please follow me on TikTok because I'm making these little vlogs every day and I need more followers. So thank you. All right, but I'm gonna go to work now and I will catch up with you guys in a bit. Hi guys, we're back in the kitchen. It is 12 o'clock now. I only had a banana for breakfast. I wasn't like crazy hungry. So I'm gonna have some leftovers from last night. I canceled my HelloFresh membership. They accidentally ended up sending me an extra box after I canceled it. So I got like 4 different recipes. I had one the other day. It was pretty good. I posted on my Instagram story. But these were fucking amazing. They are 1-pan cheesy black bean tacos with poblano. Don't know if I'm saying that right. And smoky red pepper crema. This is what they look like. 10 out of 10 recommend, but I didn't use any of like the cheese or the flour tortillas, obviously. But I got these at Sprouts and let me put you the fuck on. These are banging. So they're low carb tortillas. It's 60 calories per tortilla. They're pretty big. 2 grams of fat, 15 grams of carbs, but 10 of them are fiber. So 5 grams of carbs and 5 grams of protein. I have never seen something with better macros in my life for a tortilla. And the ingredients are pretty good if you can get past like the little bit of palm oil that they have in them. I'm gonna heat these up a little bit, but really, really good. Of course, Maverick gets up the second I bring food out, but I also, show you what I did. I got some of the Good Karma plant-based sour cream. It's only 30 calories, per 2 tablespoons. So I put these on the bottom of the tortillas, and let's see if this is done. I also threw some spinach in there for extra greens because I have to do that like all times. Pop our tortilla in there, and yeah, I'm on lunch, so I am gonna run over to TJ Maxx, see what they have for some fall decor, continue working for the rest of the day, work out, walk. I also have some things I want to show you guys from H&M because I am freaking obsessed with H&M. I'm obsessed. If you guys are not shopping at H&M right now, you're honestly doing yourself a disservice. Also, forgot to mention that this was only supposed to be black bean tacos, but I mixed it with some ground turkey, some 93% lean turkey. There we have it. Let's give a little taste test, even though I already know. So good, so good. All right, let's run some errands, if you want to say. Can you sit down for mommy like a nice boy? Someone told me I was a bad mommy. Yeah, whoever said that, you're delusional. You're blocked anyway. I didn't get many things at TJ Maxx. I got 3 things actually. I don't want to do like all of like the crazy like fall, happy fall signs. Like you won't catch any of that in my house. So I wanted to go for like some more muted things. I went specifically to look for like some white pumpkins. So I did find these. These were $10. They're a little bit of like a Maverick. Sit down. Sit. Stay. Good boy. I don't know if I'll fill these up in a vase or something, but it's like, all right, we'll buy these. This, I got home and realized that it is not the actual hemp brand because I saw this and I was like, oh my God, this is only $5? Why is it so cheap? It's because it's called Hemp Heaven and it's not hemp's lotion, so I'm an idiot. And then the last thing I got were some boots, which will transition us into the haul that I'm about to do. I've been doing some fall shopping. These, I don't know if I love them or not. If you guys remember back in the day, the brand 7, it was like kind of like the Free People of jeans. So I found these white boots. They're like patent rain boots. They were $16.99. I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna wear them. If I wear them once, it doesn't matter. They're like an off-white cream little booty. They were really comfortable, so I picked them up. And that's all I got, but I'm gonna show you guys some of the things I got this weekend. I have Urban Outfitters, Forever 21, H&M. Obviously, we have the Target flannel. Let's do H&M. I'm telling you guys, if you don't shop at H&M now, you're missing out. This is actually not a good thing to try on because it's super bulky underneath. But anyway, it's a cropped vest. And I have been seeing this all over TikTok. I originally wanted it in the brown. It looks crazy right now because I'm wearing like basically a jacket. If you follow my TikTok, you would have already seen this, but oh my God, this looks so great. I look like a square, a legitimate square. But this is really cute. It was like 30 bucks. I originally wanted it in the brown, but they only had this, which is fine. Like I'll probably honestly even wear this color more. I got this oversized crop hoodie, not cropped, it's not cropped. No, it's not a hoodie either. It's a crew neck. I'm an idiot. If you guys saw my last vlog, I got the one that says Paris. It's really cozy. So I got one that said Barcelona. I don't fucking know. Next thing from H&M. Let's see. Oh, this bag. Oh my God, how cute, how cute. Little Sherpa bag for the fall. I mean, it's adorable. I'm gonna wear this all the time. $17. Oh, this I'm not gonna try on, but I got it from Forever 21. No, like seriously, stop sleeping on Forever 21 and H&M. Better than shopping at Shein. I've proudly can say that I've never shopped at Shein. There's already makeup on it. I love that. I'm not trying this on because I'm gonna mess up my hair and I don't wanna do that. It is a turtleneck that has like, it's inside out, but it has these little stitching details on it. The sleeves kind of like puff a little bit. Really, really flattering. Super cute. They had it in a few colors, but obviously I loved the neutral. Next thing is another shacket. This is from Marshalls. Another thing looks crazy bulky on me right now, but I thought that this would be so cute for the fall. I would probably wear this with like a crop top and jeans or something. You could definitely wear it as a jacket, like it's definitely thick enough, but I did like this. I might return it. I don't love the fit of it, honestly. I did keep the receipt, so we'll see. It was like 25 bucks. Lastly, Urban Outfitters. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen this. I'm not trying it on. I don't feel like it, but it is this set. It is a velvet set from Urban. The pants are just like a wide leg. I wouldn't even say they're not that much of a flare. It's just a plain wide leg. It's this. Oh no, Maverick, we don't eat cons on the couch. Sorry, bud. No peanut butter on mommy's white couch. But they're super high-waisted. If you are short, do not get these. I have pretty long legs. I'm 5'6". I got these in small. They fit beautifully, aside from them being just a little bit long. But with like a chunky sneaker, I can definitely pull them off. And then the matching jacket, which is like the part that I'm most obsessed with. Very oversized. This I got in a medium. And I also got this bag, the cow print. She's cute. This was like 10 bucks. Everything else was on sale. The sweatsuit was on sale. I think it was like originally like 80 bucks for both. And I got the jacket for 35 and the pants for 25. And I had an extra coupon, so I love that. But kind of in a rush now. Plans changed for the day. We will not be baking anything, but promise I'm gonna vlog Saturday, because honestly, I'm like, contrary to popular belief, I'm kind of over going out right now because I had myself a summer. First weekend into the fall, I think I'm just gonna have like a chill weekend. I'm gonna do some decorating. I gotta break out like my old decorations and stuff. So I think I'm gonna vlog Saturday because I'm not gonna do anything. Have a nice chill self-care day. That'll be like a fun little fall vlog. My friend just asked me to go to happy hour, but I'm not gonna be ready to go to happy hour because I would like to work out, finish some editing for something, and I have to cook still. We might just have a happy hour here like later, so we'll see. I'll keep you guys updated, but I'm gonna get in a quick workout and take Maverick on a good 30-minute walk. He just heard that and his ears like perked up. Are you excited? Okay, let's go. Hi guys, I'm back. I also just realized I literally did not vlog my dinner. I don't know what happened there. No clue. I'll show you what I had though. I had the cauliflower. The first ingredient is cauliflower, which we love. It is gluten and dairy free. And I am obsessed with these things. I'm sure you can assume what I topped it off with. You guys know. You know. But it is 7:45 and my friend's gonna come over, we're gonna have some drinks, chill, whatever. So on that note, I'm going to end the vlog. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much, and I will see you on Saturday in my next vlog.